Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Geetanjali. Today's topic is Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species, also known as CMS, signed in 1979. It is also called Bonn Convention because it was signed in Bonn in Germany. So this is conservation of migratory species. There are several animal and bird species who migrate. For example, there are several species of birds which live in North Hemisphere, and during cold winter they migrate towards the south, towards equator, and reach Asia and Southeast Asia to avoid low temperature of North Hemisphere. So all these are migratory species. Also, there are many animal species as well which migrate due to various reasons. So for the conservation of these migratory species, this convention was signed. Now, under this convention, such species are conserved everywhere. Suppose there is a bird species. First, it was in this country, then came here, then in China, then Nepal, then reached India. So it kept coming to different countries. So whatever is its range countries means the countries through which it is migrating, its habitat will be conserved in all those countries. For example, birds prefer to stay in wetlands because they get their food and shelter there. So under CMS, all the wetlands present in these countries are protected so that the bird can stay in wetlands of different countries during its migration. Therefore, CMS intends to protect the migratory species throughout its range countries along with their habitat. CMS is managed by United Nations Environment Program, and India has also signed CMS in 1983. So we are party to CMS. There are two appendix to CMS in which different migratory species are kept. Appendix number 1 and appendix number 2. In first appendix, endangered migratory species are placed. Those migratory species which are endangered and whose population is declining, which are in danger of extinction. Such species get more protection under it. For example, Asian elephant, Great Indian bustard, Bengal florican, little bustard, oceanic white-tip shark, all these are migratory species. Elephant also migrates from one place to another place. Great Indian bustard, this is a bird which also migrates. Bengal florican, little bustard, all these species migrate. All these are kept under Appendix 1. Appendix 2. In this, the migratory species requiring international cooperation are kept. The species which are not endangered but they have unfavorable conservation status. It means the country in which these species are found, they don't have effective laws to conserve them. Such species are placed under Appendix 2. For example, smooth hammerhead shark, tope shark. These are migratory species, but there are no effective laws for their conservation in their native countries. So these are conserved under Appendix 2 of CMS. Subscribe for more informational videos. You can join our affordable courses for NEET, NET JRF and UPSC. Registration link is given in the description box.